It's a little stronger than rope.
That mound is where lava flowed out. Will flow down.
It's a lava lake.
Hey, Ma, you want to jump?
No, hard no. Back it up.
Yeah, good luck. It's like a straight down drop.
Just look at that cliff. At one point, that was all liquid.
Half-mile walk.
Like a rainforest.
Kind of. Sounds like it. Wait, can we go over there?
No.
Oh. Ouch. There's so many holes. Makes a lot of sense. Oh, jeez.
Lava needs to go out somewhere.
Oh, god damn.
This one is nice. It's got a...
Mom, these are the bottoms from here, so stop.
Looks exactly the same as last one.
Yeah, but it's got a better... I don't know.
You have like a
Oh, if you burn your hat, like, messes with the flash. Put your phones away for a second, please. Put them in your pockets. So I can get pictures. Okay.